Hi, I'm Ty Underwood, and I'm going to talk to you about my gastro sleeve that I did here at Dr. Vohra's office. The first thing I gotta tell you is this has been an incredible experience. And I'm gonna tell you about my journey, but before I even get started, I'm gonna tell you this a couple of times. If you haven't done it, you need to do it tomorrow. You need to do it today, because I am your type 2 diabetic patient. When I came to Dr. Vohra, I was a full-blown type 2 diabetic. The last 10 years I struggled with my numbers increasing, and I was getting up to 6.6, 6.81 C's, and I realized if I didn't do something today, I wouldn't have that opportunity to do something about it in the future. So since I've done this gastro sleeve in Dr. Vohra's office, it's been incredible. Not only have I seen an incredible result regarding my A1Cs, which now are 5.2, and my LDL, that's the lowest it's been since I was 28 years old. I've lost over 102 pounds during this journey. And it's mind-boggling, because it not only did this procedure in Dr. Vohra's office and team make an incredible difference in my life, it's been life-changing. And so, as I said in the beginning of my testimonial here, pick up your phone and make sure you call Dr. Vohra's office, because it works.